How to set protocol on socket HTTP on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set protocol on socket HTTP on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then just click this Opera icon here, and now click this settings icon and then go down until you find advanced and click on it, and then click this one protocol and click here, and as you see now protocol has been set on socket HTTP, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.